Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to pay Starlink Order using GCash. So first thing you're going to need to do is open the Starlink on your mobile or PC. And then once you're here, you just have to log into your account if needed. And then once you're logged in, you just have to go to your profile, tap on this one. After doing that, you can see this billing option. So you just have to go to that. And at the very bottom, you can see the manage payment method option. So just tap on that one. And then from here, we just have to tap on this make a payment. Once you do that, go to your GCash account and then tap this transfer button right here. And then from this section, you can see a list of banks. So we'll just have to go to Maya Philippines, which is this one. So we'll just tap on this one. And then just enter the amount that you want to transfer to Maya from GCash. Now, after typing the amount, you can also type here the account number and the email, but this is optional. Then once you're done, you just have to tap on send money and then just confirm, tap on that box and then pay. And then before you can submit this, you have to put here the code that will be sent to your number. After the verification, as you can see, the bank transfer is being processed. So you just have to wait for a moment for the money to arrive to your Maya bank. Now once done, go ahead and go to your Maya and then just log into your account if needed. And from here, you can see the amount is already transferred to your account. So what you're gonna do next is go to Starlink and then again go to manage payment method and then tap on make a payment. Now you just have to fill in the information about your Maya and then tap on submit. And there you go, your payment is already submitted, as you can see. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!